Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to quickly add a new project tag in WordPress. This simple process helps you organize your portfolio efficiently so you can categorize and manage projects with ease. Let's dive in. Open your web browser and go to the WordPress website. In the top right corner, click the Login button. Choose the option to continue with Google and select your preferred account. This ensures a secure and simple login. Once logged in, look for the portfolio area in your dashboard. Click on it to view all your portfolio items neatly organized in one place. Inside the portfolio section, locate the Project Tags tab. Click it to access the interface where you can add, edit, or remove tags. This central hub makes managing your tags quick and easy. Now, it's time to create your new tag. In the designated field, type a descriptive and concise name. This name defines how your project will be categorized and later searched for within your portfolio. Next, fill in the description field. Provide details about the tag's purpose or criteria. Adding a description is especially helpful if you have multiple tags and want to maintain an organized system. Finally, confirm your new tag by clicking the Add New Project Tag button. Your tag will be created and integrated into your portfolio management system. Once created, you can immediately assign this tag to portfolio items, improving organization and making navigation through your projects easier. And that's it. You've successfully added a new project tag in WordPress. This quick process keeps your portfolio organized and helps you manage projects more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more WordPress tips.